I want to show you another way that you can customize your Google Classroom. For this, I'm going to go to the classwork page because this is where I usually use this tool, but it could be used in your stream as well. I'm going to create a new assignment. And what I want to do for my instructions, I'm just going to write here practice assignment. I want steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead of just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those normal fonts that you can use with Google Classroom, I want to add some more interesting numbers that will really make them stand out. So I'm going to open a new window here, and I'm going to go to the web page called yaytext.com. And at yaytext.com, this allows me to add a few different font styles to my Google Classroom. So I want to add numbers. So I'm going to type in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to scroll down and look at these different styles. This is a nice one with these circles. But the one that I really like best is keycap bubbles. So I'm going to click copy. And I'm going to come over back to my classroom. And instead of those numbers, I'm going to paste my new numbers here. And then next to those numbers, I can type and it will come out the regular font that I want. Obviously, I would probably put more information here. Now let's say step 5 was one that I really wanted to stand out to students. I want them to remember, definitely don't skip this step. I'm going to use YayText again, and I'm going to type up here in the text box, say don't forget this step. And now I can go down and pick a font that I know looks pretty good, which this bold italic sans is a pretty good one. I'm going to copy that, bring it back here, and then I can add that, and you can see how it stands out. It's a little easier for the students to see. Now another thing I can do is add things from my emoji keyboard. Now I have gone under the apps menu here, and I added a new, I went to the web store, just down in this corner. I'm going to move my little picture here. Went to the web store and I typed in JoyPixel emoji keyboard. So here it is. I've already added it, so it's just telling me to rate it. But if you haven't added it, you can add it just like this. There'll be a button, Add to Chrome, and that will show up here in your app menu. So when I want to use let me go back to my classroom here. If I want to use my emoji keyboard, this is really nice for making announcements to students. Like maybe I want to say, welcome back. And I want to put some smiley faces around that. So I can go up here to my JoyPixels emoji keyboard, and I could add a little smiley face on either side of this message here. And I'm going to post. I could also do that over on the classwork. Let's say I create a new topic. Maybe this topic is going to be social studies. And I can go under here and find a little emoji that fits for social studies. I'm just going to use this little cool guy here. And I don't want it at the end, I want it at the beginning. So I'm pasting it here and I click add. And now my topic has a little emoji there. What I like about the JoyPixels emoji keyboard, there's many different kinds, but what I really like about this is it allows you to change different skin tones. So if you are using images of people, for example, and you don't want it to all be these yellow emojis, which will stay yellow no matter what, but you want to add some people with brown skin tone, you can definitely do that. So people doing different things, also thumbs up, different hand signals. It does not have to be in just that yellow color or the white skin color. So I really like that. So those are 2 other ways that you can customize your Google Classroom.